completely unique Lamborghini 2025, with a liquid carbon fiber body that shifts color between metallic silver and electric blue, sharp, geometric lines inspired by eagle wings. Triangular headlights extend and retract, inspired by a falcon's eye, with an LED strip that unfolds. The doors open upwards at a 45-degree angle with a smooth mechanism. The electric V12 hybrid engine reaches 100 km per hour in 2.1 seconds, with a top speed of 400 km per hour and an electric range of 200 km. The interior features luxurious eco-leather with rose gold and matte carbon fiber accents, adjustable racing seats, a holographic infotainment system, and advanced artificial intelligence technology. The wheels are aerodynamic aluminum, with road-adjustable tires. The suspension features an anti-gravity system. At the rear, an active spoiler deploys to improve aerodynamics, and an active ventilation at the bottom keeps the engine cool. Intelligent lights adjust their intensity according to the surroundings, without dazzling. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe my channel.